Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Imani and you are watching Faith by Design. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I am cash stuffing $60 here for my home binder. So let's go ahead and get started. I hope you all are having a great weekend so far. Comment down below and let me know how your weekend has been. I'm filming this on a Saturday and today was such a beautiful day. It was sunny outside and it wasn't even that cold. It was kind of warm. So it was a surprising day to say the least, since we've had some cold days in the South. But other than that, we didn't have many plans. We just pretty much did a little bit of decluttering around the house, and I took my daughter a few places, but other than that, we have been in the house pretty much the whole day. I think we were kind of productive today though. So we're gonna go ahead and get into this video. So we have $60 here, and this is my home binder for anyone who's new to my channel. I usually roll one die, and that's to see where the $5 bills will go. I usually do fives for the most part, sometimes ones, but I generally do fives in the envelopes. So I just roll the die and see what number it lands on, and the numbers are on the envelope so we know where we need to stuff the money. So we're gonna move this over just a little bit and let's get to rolling. One, okay, so one is household, and we'll just place the money here. My goal for household is $350, and basically I'll be using a lot of this money to purchase new containers for the cabinets, just to put things in, and probably some things for the bathroom. We do need a new shower rack, so we have a few things that we can purchase with this money once we complete the challenge. So 5 and 5 is maintenance. That is always a necessity with a home, being able to get your filters checked or getting your furnace checked or serviced. It's a must. 4, okay. 4 is utilities, and this is to be basically like 1 month ahead on utilities or saving for the highest bill, which is actually usually in the summertime we have the highest utility bill, our power bill. 4 again, so I think the goal here is to save $400. Trying to get ahead on that. Okay, 1 is household. All right, let's see if we can get, okay, I don't know if that counted, but I guess, yes, it landed on the money. Let's try that again. All right, 2. Okay, 2 is furniture, and furniture is going to be used to purchase a new dining room set. And I think the goal for this tracker is $500, but ideally it'll probably be double that. 6, because furniture is kind of, it's not cheap. Renovation, yeah. So this is renovation for our master bathroom, and the goal is $1,200 on this tracker. I'm sure it'll be much more than that, but we start small and we continue to be consistent and watch it grow. Okay, that's another 5 in furniture. 3, okay, repairs. And I did move my repairs envelope back into this binder because I also use it in the Sink the Funds game, just to give it more love. 4, okay, looks like 4 is the winner today. Utilities, that's always a good thing to get ahead on the utilities. 5, okay, and 5 is maintenance again, and let's see where the last roll will go. 6, okay, renovation. All right, let's tally this all up here. Okay, so household got 10. And we are now at an even 100, I believe. Let's count. We can color in a tracker. 20, 40, 60, $65.70, $75.80, $85.90, $95, 100. Okay, so our household has 100 so far in savings, so we get to color in another house, which is so exciting. I love to color and watch the trackers fill in. It's so motivating. Each house is worth $25. And then I think these are vacuums. Yes, we did say those are vacuums. And this tracker is from Dee's Digital World. And her YouTube channel is It's Dee Bankroll. Go check her out. She has some wonderful items in her Etsy shop. All right, next up is furniture. Oh, let me get the tracker back into household. Okay, furniture. So furniture got 10. So now furniture has 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 95, 100, 5, 10, 15. $115. That's so great. Slowly building up. I'm so excited to be able to purchase a dining set at the end of the year. Okay, repairs. So repairs got a little boost in the Sink the Funds game, but it only got 5 here, but that's okay. And my tracker. Okay. All right, what am I doing? Okay, so repairs now has 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. 140 in repairs. Let's see. And soon we'll be able to color in another icon. And my goal for repairs is $1,000. All right, so today electric got 15. Wow. All right, so let's get the tracker out, 15. Okay, so electric has 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95. And soon we'll be able to color in another light bulb. Okay, maintenance got 10. And I will leave my trackers that I created in Canva in the description box. You can download those. I figured out how to do that. So feel free to download them if they can be useful. So maintenance today got 10, which is great. Okay, so now maintenance has 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95. So we can't color in anything yet, but we're $5 away to coloring in another, I don't know if this is a refrigerator, furnace, something. We'll be able to color it in probably the next time. So that's exciting because there's always something that needs to get serviced, and we'll probably use this in the spring to service our HVAC system since we replaced it last summer. So want to make sure we're checking that and having them service it to keep it running great. Last but not least, we have bathroom reno, and that got 10. Okay, so we have our first 100 for bathroom reno. So we get to color in a bathtub. 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. All right, that's exciting. I cannot wait for our bathroom to be renovated. Okay, but that's gonna take some time. And we may have to have some debt, but that's the way the game goes. We're just trying to save as much as we can to help offset some of the costs. So that's $100 in bathroom reno. Okay, we're all done. Thank you all so much for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all in my next video. Take care, have a blessed week, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.